Hello, my name is Artsy the Artsy Sister, and today we're gonna be making a pouring art painting. We're gonna like paint it on paper. Like if you see like wood on the background, it's mostly like the wooden canvas, the wooden stuff that I use in order to like paint everything. So it has like layers upon layers upon layers of paint. So like this one I'm gonna be pulling I'm gonna be using the pouring paint technique where you swipe it. So, and I'm gonna be swiping from the middle. So first I like put, but I also like wanna make certain that all of the edges are colored in, cause like it's always like hard to get all of the paint all the way to like the corner. So it's just better to have that out of the way, because if it has like a little bit of white on the side and stuff, the painting just kind of like looks incomplete. So then with that out of the way, I start like filling the middle with as much paint as possible. And as it's pretty noticeable with me shaking the bottle, I'm almost out of that green color, but you know, I'm gonna like get as much of it out of that as possible. You know, I like to use all of my paint supplies, because that's just the way I roll. And it's already like taking like a nice shape, you know. And just because a bottle seems empty doesn't mean that it is. Just like put it upside down and shake it a lot until you get every last drop of acrylic paint out of it. But I'm not giving you a tutorial on how to be frugal. I am teaching you how to do like a nice white painting on paper. Like the paper, I didn't like print. I didn't like print it with like gesso or anything. It's just acrylic paint right on top, right on the paper, you know. And then and then just making the painting out of it. Like the hard part is usually just moving the paper from like the place where I work at into and then like getting it dry. But and as far as like drying like paper with like ridiculously heavy acrylic, just make certain that it's like very airy at the bottom and that it doesn't like fuse into the bottom part. So it gotta like just be very hanging out a lot, but whatever. So yeah, just get all of the paint in the middle, and then you swipe it to the left and to the right. And if you want to add a little bit of interest, just add like just a very small like dab of like darker color, so that it doesn't completely overtake the painting, but it still has a point of interest nonetheless. So yeah, that's about this silly painting in a nutshell. So just sit back and watch the show.